Hey everyone, welcome back to the Driver Mod. Today we're getting the GT350 ready for tomorrow's Cars and Coffee event. Savage Garage, Savage Rally is coming to Florida. They're ending their 4-day rally here in Orlando at tomorrow's Cars and Coffee event. So the GT350 is absolutely filthy, and we've enlisted some help from a local mobile detailer in the area, Caleb with hands-on detailing, to help us get the car ready because frankly we've got a lot going on. So detailing the car wasn't going to be something we could get to, unfortunately. The car had not been cleaned since we got back from Sebring almost 2 weeks ago. Pretty much got home from Sebring, parked it in the garage, made sure that fuel pump fix was good, and put her away. Just had a lot going on, so we never really got to it. Got the new plates in, but yeah, take a good look at how dirty it is now. And then we'll show you the finished product afterwards. I mean, nasty fingerprints, track dirt, brake dust absolutely covers this car. All right, we just got done cleaning the wheels, just prepped the body to get some suds on. Here's the man of the hour, Mr. Caleb Cruz with the sweet rig. About to check this out. He's got a huge tank of deionized water that he uses on every car. So you don't have to worry about, water spots, deposits. He's not using regular, mineral water that out of the tap. This is good, high quality service right here. Generator, help keep things running so you're not running the vehicle. All those detailing equipment, sprays, cleaners, buckets for wheels. That's how you know attention to detail. You got a bucket separate for wheels that doesn't get used and mixed with the body of the car. Everyone loves a good sud shot. For those who didn't know, Charlotte used to be ceramic coated. It has since, it's been like 3 or 4 years, it's worn off. So Caleb has done something to the car that he wants to show me.
So it's not a ceramic coating, it's a ceramic quick detail spray, which has some like SiO2 in it. But rub that on the car if you know how slick it is.
Super, super slick. Like it really feels like you're on glass or ice.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Just with a quick spray, that's it?
Quick spray and then wipe off and
damn.
that's it.
All right.
Shiny now.
Looks great.
Tire shine on it and it should be all finished.
Oh, you don't worry about tire shine. I'm not a huge tire shine guy. It's all good, appreciate it. So yeah guys, if you're in the area, Central Florida, hit up Hands On Detailing for your detailing automotive needs.